How to download your WhatsApp chat history in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to any of the chats that you want to download and any of the conversations, and then you have to click on the three dots of the chat in the top right corner, and then you have to click on the more, and there is option of export chat. You have to click on the export chat. Then there is option of without media or include media. Without media, it means you can download the WhatsApp chat history without media. Without media, it means without photos and videos, and include media, it means you can download the chat history with your phone photos and videos. So I am don't doing that. I am doing without media. So what you have to do is you have to uh, with choose, you can choose any of these, but I am doing with without media, and then you can send it to the your Gmail, and then let's see, I send this to the Gmail. You can Gmail into your own email. Let's see, I uh, this is my Gmail. I send to this email Gmail, and then you can click on this send button, and your Gmail is sent. So when you go to your Gmail, open your Gmail account, and then when you go to your the Gmail, then here you can see this is my WhatsApp file. So what you have to do to download is you have to click on this download button, and when you click on the download button, then you can click on the download re-download attachment. You click on the download button, then your WhatsApp chat history is downloaded. So you can see in my downloads, here you can see this is file is downloaded. When you click on this file, you can see this is all my files. So you can open it with, and then here you can see the file is downloaded. So that's basically it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.